Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
All right, here's the big takeaway. Small snow chances by the end of the week. So we actually could see a little bit of something on Wednesday. And then again, by the weekend, we could see a decent shot at maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow. Usually not a headliner for winter, but apparently this winter, that's a big deal. Now here's the big deal, especially active and colder pattern looking to ramp up by January 14th. So once we get to the second week of January especially, it's really looking like the atmosphere finally gets its act together and we could begin to see a few storm systems. So earlier I showed you the entire January outlook. This takes just a chunk of that. This is January 7th through the 13th. Notice the huge bullseye out west. So this means greater than average chances of cold conditions out west. We also still have the warm trend off to New England. But what this shows us is we have cold air that's finally making its way into the nation. And usually what comes to the west coast eventually trickles over to the Great Lakes. Once again, we're in the dividing line between the two. And that's great for us if you like stormy weather, because it usually means that we're right in line to see the storm track. This is just another fun fact. Remember January last year, we were like 7 degrees warmer than usual when we finished out the month. February of last season, I shouldn't say last year, but last season, we're 4.4 degrees warmer than average. So if we can start to actually get some cold air here, it'll be a change of pace from what we experienced last time around. All right, here are the short-term takeaways. Monday, 34 degrees, variably cloudy. You could see a sprinkle tomorrow, but not looking like a big deal. And then Tuesday, 38 degrees, sunshine. It will be kind of breezy, though, on Tuesday. So even though it's sunny, you might feel cold from time to time if you're clipped by the wind. Here's a system that's diving down. This is technically called a clipper system. They usually don't have a lot of moisture with them, and it tracks from north down to the south. However, what we're going to start to see here, again, with an active storm track, more systems coming in from the southwest. So in the short term here, we have clearing skies for Tuesday. There's your sunshine. Breezy day. Wednesday, another quick clipper. See how it dives down from north to south? This gives us a chance of snow. But what's really starting to catch our attention, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, some bigger systems. The ones that come up from this direction are able to actually pull in moisture from the Gulf and then pull down air from the north that's cold. So it's a better chance of accumulating snow. If we look at the totals, it doesn't look too impressive quite yet for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're talking 1 to 2 inches, but it's a start. And then you can see at the tail end there that we have more chances of accumulation potentially as we work towards week 2. It is about time. So if you are a skier, snowboarder, snowmobiler, quite happy with this forecast. At the very least, we're cold enough in our overnight lows to finally make some snow on the slopes. All in all, not too bad of a way to ring in 2024.